welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. ¿Verdad que qué? Our channel?
Channel.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
So today on KK, I just took her hair out of the braids and then just did two little pigtails. I'm gonna fix it up again because I did it in the morning really quick. But I'm gonna get her, well, do her hair again. But I got out of the shower in the morning. I don't know if I'm just gonna leave my hair like this. It kind of just, I'm feeling the little like waviness of my hair. So I'm probably just gonna leave it. Probably just do my makeup, but in the morning I got up and then I cleaned and then I went to the kids were still asleep after I was done cleaning, so I just took a shower. And then this is how my hair looks. I like how my hair looks now that I just get out of the shower, and it's kind of like poofy-ish, wavy-ish right here, you know. I don't know, I'm really liking it, and I'm probably just gonna leave it like this and just do my makeup. But I don't know, I'll probably straighten it, don't know yet, but I'll keep you guys updated on what I'm gonna be doing. But enséñale tu pelo. Look at her hair, it's so long, she has so much hair. Kayla, dile my birthday's in a month.
My birthday, my birthday.
She said she wants we're not making birthday parties this year. We didn't make one for Gordo, so we got them bikes, and then we'll probably just do like a small cake and that's it. But we did like a little piñata of coco melon because Miss Lady wants. But yeah, I went to the store because we went after doing that. We had to do some things, and then guy there told me to go take him lunch, so I went to go take him lunch, and then we haven't had lunch, so I got us lunch as well. So it's okay. And I went to Food Max to I went to go put gas in my car, and then I went to Food Max to get some stuff because we're gonna make some tilapia de ceviche de tilapia. I'm trying to fix this. There you go. So I got one Pepsi, so we can take over there. And then I got 2 squirts. I don't know if I'm gonna take both of them or just I don't know if I'm gonna take a squirt as well as the Pepsi. But I got 2 squirts. Got Yakules. Strawberry Yakules. Because it loves squirt, so that's why. I don't know. I had to get some for here at the house. Okay, show them.
More Yakules.
More Yakules. Look, ya párale. Okay, next. So Kayla wanted these chips for here at the house, so she loves these chile limon ones. I love them too. 1 second. So she got these for the house, and then they both wanted these Pop-Tart bites. Pop-Tarts. Good job. And this bag ripped, so that goes in the garbage. I got, because we're making the tilapia, they're buying, Elsa's parents and Elsa are buying the tilapia, so we're going to get, we got the chips, the tostadas, we got these chips, salsa verde ones. If you guys haven't tried these are really, really good for like ceviche. And then we needed cilantro for that. Jitomates and pepino. I got extra pepino because I want to make some for here, the house. They wanted grapes. I got 2 onions. And that was it. And it was $40.99 exactly. Like, everything here in California, I don't know if it's everywhere else, but everything here, you go to a store and it's like so expensive. Like, I didn't get much things and it was $40.99, so yeah. So I'll probably vlog right now if I do end up straightening my hair and doing my makeup. So yeah, I've been breaking out a lot lately. Look, I have people here, but yeah, so if I do end up doing my hair, I'll vlog it a little bit, but yeah, I don't know. I'm liking how it looks. It's just like flowy, and that's it. And it's like, good thing it's not super hot today, so it's a good weather. But yeah, keep you guys updated. And if I don't vlog right now when I'm getting ready, then I'll probably just vlog when we're over there. I'll just show you guys what we end up doing today. But we are going to Tita's and Tata's house and Tia Elsa. We're gonna go to their house. And these little shoes are Gordo's when he was a little baby, so that's why we have them there. But yeah, I cleaned before I left, so I don't have to clean. And I'm gonna just fix the clean dishes that I do have, and then probably start getting ready because it's 1:20. I don't know what time Kyle's gonna get out of work today. Hopefully he doesn't get out too late. But like I said, I just have a comfy outfit today. I'm tired. I got my favorite shirt in the whole wide world because it's like oversized. But it's like the oversized that's tight right here and like a little baggy here, but not much, and just a little loose here. So I'm for sure gonna need to go get more shirts there at Hollister because that's where I got these at. But yeah, guys. So I just ended up doing my everyday makeup, and this is how it came out. I'm just gonna put on my glasses right now, but I'm not gonna do my hair. I don't know. I don't feel like doing my hair. I'm just so like, I've been so tired lately. So yeah, and I have to do Kayla's hair again. Hey guys, she was eating chips. ¿Estás comiendo sabritas?
Yeah.
¿Te gustan?
Sí. I like to go come out there.
Chile limón?
No.
But yeah, I'll probably vlog when we are over there. But yeah, see ya. So Elsa made this sopita.
Yes.
And she
So
all of it.
yes, we're gonna eat it all, and then we're gonna wait 5 minutes without drinking anything, water or milk.
You ready?
So okay,
So we just eat it.
eat it, and then once we're done, we have to wait. We have to use timer. Ramen, or I'll put mine. I don't know where my phone's at.
It's charging, no? I'm scared. It smells like chile. I'm just smelling it. Oh my god. It's gonna be intense.
Oh, sorry, I'm fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Was it meant to be?
Ready? Cheers.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, that's intense. I don't know why, but it's intense, but it's good.
I know it's good, but holy shit.
But it's adding up the heat. It's like a little
But let's not stop. Wow, that language.
My lips are getting red already. Yours too.
Whose idea was this?
Yours.
Why am I blowing on it like it's gonna fucking be like hard?
Oh my god.
Yeah. I'm already sweating. I'm always sweating.
Extra deep now though.
Yeah.
Oh god.
My mustache.
Oh my god. It looks like I got red lipstick on.
There you go.
Oh my god, my head hurts.
Don't touch your face with your
Oh my god. It's
You want a napkin?
Oh my god, we got 4 minutes.
Kayla's like, I got one here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go to work.
Hey, I feel it right here.
Dude, yes.
Look at our lips though.
Dude. We got
Go below, do you drink milk or we drink?
what do you want? We got leche right here. We get water, but it's not cold. Where do you want popsicle? It's popsicle. I don't know what I want.
Where do you get this one at?
I don't even know. I think she just put that milk.
Oh. Yeah. Okay, 3 minutes almost.
Oh shit, I just got my wisdom teeth taken out.
Oh my god, that's more
They
than
burned a little bit, yeah.
So we tried this one. I feel like it's the same, the color of the chilito.
Yeah. Dude, it's starting to go down a little bit.
Me, I feel it right here though. Yeah.
Okay, we have to. Oh shit! Well, I cut it this way. Hold on. Let's put them in there. So we had
嗯。
This is pretty good. Okay, we're about to go make ceviche.
Okay, we are
Hi,
done.
guys.
But I'm gonna continue the vlog. We made ceviche de tilapia.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bye.
Cállate.
Retira.
KK. 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 Hey guys.
Guys.
I want some.
Ma, no me contesta.
What are you drinking?
Soy el blanco, estamos.
And then there's a dinosaur behind us. Ah, a dinosaur! Dinosaur!
Be careful, hay un dinosaurio llamado Caidito.